Good morning all. Today I am going to tell a Christmas story. Story about 2000 years ago in a small town called Nazareth. There lived a young Jewish girl named Mary. She was not married yet, but she is going to be real soon to a good man named Joseph. Well, one day something amazing happened. An angel of the Lord, Gabriel, appeared. A very important angel appeared to Mary. She said, "Who are you?" "I am Mary. I am Gabriel. Don't be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God. He loves you very much. God has sent me here to tell you that soon you will be going to have a son." "Huh? Me? A son?" "Yes. He will be called Jesus. He will be great. And he will be called the Son of the God." Mary was obedient and she said, "I am the handmaid of the God. May the God do with me as he wants to." Mary wanted to do just as God told her to do. Just near the time Mary was about to have her baby, the Roman emperor sent soldiers to announce a new law. "Okay, listen everyone. Emperor Caesar Augustus says that all of you need to pay some taxes. Now register for census." So Mary and Joseph made their way to Bethlehem. That's where Joseph had to pay taxes. It was about 65 miles from Nazareth to Bethlehem. And the trip took many days. After reaching to Bethlehem, guess what happened? All the places and all the inns were full. "Mary, you wait here. Make yourself comfortable. By then, I'll try to find a suitable place for us to stay." Joseph kept knocking and knocking again and again, looking for a place to stay. And Mary was able to have her baby. "Well, I have tried almost all the inns. It seems like all of them are full." "Dear Mary, how do you feel?" "I'm so tired, Joseph, but please do not worry. I'm sure that God will provide us a place to stay." "Oh God, tell me what to do. I have no idea or no clue." No one would have expected the Son of the God would be born not in a palace, not in a castle, not in a fancy building either. God's Son was born in a humble small stable. "I will go and get some fresh hay where you can sleep comfortably tonight." That night, Jesus was born. And oh, it was a wonderful night. Big stars shining in the sky. Big stars shining in the sky. There was no crib, so they laid the baby Jesus in a manger. It was full of fresh hay. And made it a little comfortable for the baby. Near Bethlehem that night there were some shepherds keeping watch over their flocks of sheep. When suddenly an angel appeared to them and said, "I have a good news for you. There is a Savior who has been born." "What? Really? What? Savior? Can we see him? Where is he?" Can you see him? Where is he? The shepherds were so the angel told them where to find him. So the angels were so excited and happy. They ran towards the stable and found baby Jesus. After they had seen Jesus, they spread the news to everyone. Everyone who heard was in wonder and wonder. Thank you.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.